So just wanted to show you what some of the samples look like that we collected in the summer of 2012. So this is a typical sample that we're looking at. You can see it's not very big, so there's a scale bar. And we've embedded the sandstone in a puck of plaster so it's easier to handle and move around and holds it together. You can see it's just loaded with fish scales and small bones. So I'll just point out some of the bones and fish scales. There's a bone here. And I'll show you this jaw of a fish and with teeth. I'll zoom in on that in a minute. There's also a lot of hybidont shark teeth in these samples. Not any visible in this piece, but you can actually see here an impression of a hybidont shark tooth. So there was one in the counterpiece that joins onto here. So here you can see the impression with those fine ridges along the hybidont tooth. So all this little bits of bone and fish scales, likely skull elements. So the samples are just loaded with bone material. And here's that small jaw. Just blow off the dust. The jaw with the small teeth. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 small teeth attached to this likely dentary element, with some scale elements all around it. I'll try to zoom in a bit more on those teeth, give you a better view. So just tiny little material, but very well preserved. And these samples have so much material, so many samples, so many specimens. It's a great representation of the ecology of the time. So this is a lake shore, the shoreline of a lake from 200 million years ago.